doing well. In this section of my video, we'll be going through the concept of reflection and refraction, and also the number of images formed by two plane mirrors which are kept at a certain angle, which is a topic of NCERT chapter number 10 for class 10th. So, as you can observe, we need to calculate the number of images formed by two mirrors if an object is placed between any one position between the two mirrors. Consider these two mirrors. This is mirror M1 polished surface, and this is mirror M2. Consider the angle between the mirrors as theta. As you observe that the two plane mirrors, one is M1 and another one is M2, is kept at angle theta, making an angle theta with each other. Now consider an object O which is placed at a certain point between the two mirrors. What will be the number of images? The number of images formed by these two mirrors by multiple reflection can be simply calculated by a relation: total number of images given by n is equals to 360 by theta minus 1. The reason for forming large number of images is due to the multiple reflection for this object which is placed between these two mirrors. Consider, let us suppose that the theta is 60 degree. That is, both the mirrors are kept at an angle of 60 degree. You have n equals to 360 upon 60 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5. That is the total number of images formed by these two plane mirrors kept at an angle of 60 degree with an object in between any position is 5. Total of 5 images will be formed. What if the two mirrors are parallel to each other? If you imagine that you are standing between two parallel mirrors, you will observe that the light after multiple reflection, the large number of images are formed. That is what I want to say. If you will keep theta 0 degree here, what will be the total number of images? And infinite images will be formed. But if you will try to observe these images, you will observe that the images will get dimmer and dimmer time after time. Time after time means after multiple reflection. So this is a simple concept for calculation of number of images formed by two plane mirrors. I hope you have understood this logic well. Thank you.